Hey everybody, how ya doing out there? It is Mr. Bookman and I will be reading Summer Camp Critter Jitters by Jory John and Liz Climo. Please enjoy. Summer Camp Critter Jitters. I am nervous about the first day of summer camp. Absolutely, after all, it's the wildness. The wild. What if I have to catch my own lunch out there? I am so hungry. Please come here, Leaf. Do they tell ghost stories at camp? Because I don't like ghost stories. It's just, let's just say that I have a tendency to smell things up when I'm feeling scared. Ew. Whoops. Are you sure I should be doing this? Are there sports at this place? I'm not so great at sports, trust me. Please tell me there isn't a lake, because if I'm being honest here, I never learned how to swim. Can you imagine being a duck and never learning how to swim? Well, that's my life, pal. Yo. Oh, it's so refreshing. It is going to be brother everything. If I need to hop around at night, that's usually the only way I get tired, because I fall asleep. Hey, sorry. Howdy, I'm Norman. Eek, run, yikes, wooyah. I'm afraid I wouldn't make friends. Have you ever bumped into a snake into the woods? It doesn't usually go so well. Yo. Will I get lost out there? Because the woods kind of freak me out. If I'm being honest, I'm more of an indoor type of bear. Sigh. I was told that I'm supposed to bring a sleeping bag to camp. You know, that's way better than a sleeping bag, a pouch, and I already have one of those at home. How is that supposed to be comfortable? Please be quiet, parrot. Please be quiet, parrot. Please be quiet, parrot. Please be quiet, parrot. What if I can't stop talking while everybody is trying to listen to their counselor? It's a concern. Are there bunk beds? Will I have to sleep on the top bunk? I don't think I could get to the top bunk or even the bottom bunk. Is this a bed or a tower? Gel. Sigh. Sigh, sigh. Gulp. 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 Okay, there's our cabin, but where's the counselor? No idea. Up there. It seems to be a welcome banner, huh? But why is it sideways? Yes. Hello there, campers. Could you hear me down there? Welcome to camp. I'm Sammy, the counselor. You can call me Sam. So anyways, I'm pretty excited to meet you all. Wooya, why are you in that tree? Shouldn't you be like down here? Well, yes. As it happens, it's my first year as a counselor. I wanted to make a good impression, so I made this banner and then I got stuck, so I may just have to be your counselor from up here this summer. Any questions? Camp isn't really camp without a counselor. Agree, this isn't good. We've got to rescue that kitty cat. But how? But how? Let's work together. We could build a ladder out of branches. I'll dig up some roots to fasten the branches together. I'll use my teeny paws to tie the knots. I'll carry the ladder into place. I can hang the other side of the welcome banner with my fangs. And I guess I need to get branches from the woods. Gulp. Don't worry, I'll go with you. I'll be right here. Yeah, we'll keep you company. Buddy system. Buddy system. Here, I'll help you climb back down. Grab my fur. Almost there. A little to the left. Well, hello, campers. It's lovely to meet you up close. Y'all work together so nicely to rescue me. Thank you. What a swell bonding experience. You're a team now. Also, the banner looks great. I hope you feel welcome now. Without further ado, please let me show you around right this way. The words are actually kind of nice. Plenty of greenery, lots to climb. What was I so afraid of? Yes, agreed, totally. Nice move. Oh, thank you. I guess I might like some more sports. Is chess a sport? I'm floating. Hey everyone, I'm floating. Nice work. And I'm helping my friend. Request after me. Can you pass the marshmallows? Watching this fire is better than watching TV. Hey everyone, how about a story? Wait, is this a spooky story? I don't like spooky stories. Snap. Ooh yeah, did you hear that? Yeah, it was like a snapping noise. Maybe it's the wind. And this is why I don't like spooky stories. Ah. See, I told you the woods were no good. Hi, sorry I'm late. I missed the bus. My mom had to drive me. Oh, welcome. Have a seat. We're making s'mores. S'mores. I mean, I don't have to catch my own food. The woods look lovely in the morning light. Nice. I'm sleeping. My sleeping bag keeps me pretty warm here. I'm excited to get back to the lake today and practice my floating nice. They made me a special bed on the floor. Nice. I don't need to sleep to hop in myself to sleep. Last night camp is tiring, but in a good way. Nice. I had some great company, so I don't get scared. Nice. I'm excited for more chess. Nice. Singing helps me get all the talking out of my system. Nice. It's easy to make friends when you're kind to others. Nice. We're ready. A team, everybody. And it only took a day. Nice. Looks like they all enjoyed the camp after all. How many of you have been to a camp before? Let me know with a thumbs up if you've been to a camp. And did you enjoy it? Well, everybody, I hope all of you enjoyed this book reading here, and if you did, can you give it a big thumbs up? Smash that thumbs up button. Can you do that? If you're new and you came along this book reading, can you hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel and check out my other book readings I got? I got plenty, so feel free to check them out. Also hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload, you'll be notified. But until my next book reading, they call me Mr.Bookman. And this book reading's over. Have a pleasant one and take care. And thanks for watching.